Quizzes are popular since forever, and you probably did one of those quizzes by yourself, and you probably saw that many big affiliate marketers are using quizzes to promote their affiliate products, and that is because quizzes work really well with affiliate marketing. And you are probably thinking right now, well, I don't know how to make quizzes. Well, actually today I'm going to show you how you can get quiz questions automatically, how you can create quizzes, how to find products to promote, and also how to promote those quizzes. And not just that, but you can actually promote multiple products with these quizzes. But first, I have to say, if you already have a social following, then you need to make a quiz in that niche. But if you don't, then you need to do a bit of brainstorming. So first thing you need to do, you need to come here on ChatGPT and you need to give it a prompt, something like this. Make me personality type quiz that recommend affiliate products based on the type. Please give me 5 examples of the quizzes and types of the products and press enter. And ChatGPT will give you 5 examples of those quizzes. But this is actually not the quite prompt that we wish. This is not finished yet. We need to do a bit more brainstorming. So you need to say something like this. First, based on all of this, you need to give it a name. You need to give a name to your quiz. You can't just use this quiz name that ChatGPT gave you. You need to give it a bit different name. So after that, you need to give it a different prompt. So you can say something like this. For example, here you can see, please make me a quiz that recommends affiliate products titled, what is your culinary style? For example, because here I actually chose culinary as my quiz type. Here you can see there are 5 types of quizzes that they actually recommend for me. I have chosen culinary. And here you can see at the end, give me quiz type and name and the description of this quiz. Include 4 multiple choice questions and the answers that indicate which type of affiliate product I should recommend, and press enter. And ChatGPT will give you exactly that. And here you can see how that quiz looks. It gave the name, it gave the description. Here you can see question 1, here you can see answers on those questions, and here you can see they actually gave you answers overall for the entire quiz. But this is not exact prompt that we actually wish. We need to do a bit more brainstorming. So I can say something like this. For example, give me 5 multiple choice questions and answers for an affiliate culinary type quiz with the title, what is your culinary style? Based on their answer, the results should be grouped into baking fans, grilling fans, steaming fans for each question. Now I'm targeting only these 3 groups of people who like culinary. As you can see here, grouped into baking, grilling and steaming food fans. That is really important because I'm actually narrowing my niche even more to get even more precise results so I can get even more targeted people to fulfill my quiz. And all I have to do now is just press enter, and ChatGPT will give me exactly that. Will give me that quiz with those questions. And here you can see mostly A answers are baking fans, mostly B answers are grilling fans, and mostly C answers are steaming fans. Now this is really important data for us. Later in the video you will see why this is actually important, so you need to remember this. So next we need to make our quiz. Now for that we are going to use quizmaker.com, and you need to register for a free trial, and then you need to log in. And then you need to click here on new quiz because we wish to create a new quiz. Here we need to give a title to our quiz. Now simply I will go back here on ChatGPT and I'm going to use this title here. Simply highlight this and then Ctrl+C. Go back here, paste that here, and then select a quiz type. Click here and then choose assign multiply types. Click here. And now I need to click here, add a question, okay? And then here you need to choose multiply choice. And then now I need to give my first question, my first quiz question. So simply I will go back here and I'm going to copy this that actually ChatGPT gave me, and I'm going to paste that here. And for the answer, I will simply again go back here on ChatGPT and I'm going to copy this, Ctrl+C, go back here and paste that here. And I'm going to copy this as well, so let me just copy this, okay, Ctrl+C, go back here and paste that here. And I'm going to add a third one, so I will simply copy this, okay, Ctrl+C, and I'm going to paste that here. Now to add another question, just click here on add a question, and again multiply choice, and here go back on ChatGPT and simply copy this question here, Control C, go back here and paste that here for the answer, exactly the same thing. Simply copy this answer here, Control C, go back here and paste that as answer number 1, and again go back here, copy this, okay, Control C, paste it here, and I will add another one, Control C, okay, Control C, go back here and paste that here, and you need to add 5 or 10 or 15 questions. Now for the purpose of this video, I will add only these 2 questions. So next thing you need to do, you actually need to click here, okay, and then here where it says required, you wish to click here on required because you wish to make them answer on all the questions before they can actually go further, before they can go on next question. And then what you need to do, you need to click here on settings, and then here where it says randomize option order, click here, and you can also click here on edit picture, and you can add a picture, you can upload photo or add your own photo. You don't really have to do that, I will not do that, but you need to click here on settings, and you need to click here on randomize option order, click here on OK, and you need to do exactly the same thing for all the questions. Click here required, and then click here on settings, and then click here on randomize, and like I said, you can add photos, images and stuff like that if you want. But next thing you need to do, you actually need to scroll here and you can choose a theme. You can choose one of these themes if you want, one of these themes, or you can customize a theme. You can even click here and you can upload your own image. Or you can simply go here on, for example, on pixels, and you can find images here. So let's just say food, for example, food, and you can find royalty-free images here on pixels that you can use here on your quiz. You don't have to do that, but you can if you want. And you can simply after that click here on OK, and that's it. And the next thing you need to do, you need to click here on results, okay? And then here you need to click here on content, okay? And then here you need to choose types, okay? Show me, and here you need to add a type. Click here on add a type, and here you need to add an answer. Now for that you can simply go back here on Digistore 24 and you can ask it to give you answer on these questions, okay? And you can simply click here on assign answer. I will just do this and assign answer, and now I need to assign my answers. Now when we go back here on ChatGPT and when I scroll here, you can see mostly A answers are baking fans. So I will simply go back here and I will choose only first one as a baking fan, okay? And here this is actually baking fans. So you can just check out, okay, it is baking fans. So this is for baking fans, okay? And that's it, I added this. And also I can click here on settings and I can change title, I can add images and stuff like that. And again, just add here on type, and you can add another type for these questions here for mostly B and for mostly C. You need to do that for all of these, okay? And after that, just click here on preview and you can preview your quiz. And also what you can do is you can simply click here on settings, and then here where it says match percentage, I actually like to set that off because I don't want them to see percentage on their answers. And another thing that you can do is you can actually click here on actions and emails, and you can click here action and email, and here you can click on redirect responded to URL, and then here you can add your affiliate link. Now for that you can simply use Digistore 24 and you can simply click here on food and drinks, and here you can find the products related to food in this case that you can promote. Also you can promote another product because we have 3 answers. You can promote, for example, product from Digistore 24, from ClickBank, and also from Warrior Plus at the same time. And depending on their answers on these questions, they will be redirected automatically on one of those products that match to their answers. Okay, that is really important. And another thing that you can do is you can simply click here on leads and then lead capture, and then here you can capture their emails and you can build your mailing list. So if they, for example, don't buy the product that you recommend them after they finish the quiz, they will be automatically added to your email list and you can start sending them emails. Of course, if you do a good job, if you don't spam those people, they will buy products that you are actually promoting, that you are sending them. And that is why this works so well, and that is why many big affiliate marketers are using quizzes to promote affiliate products, because they can promote affiliate products and at the same time they can build their mailing list. And that is why they use this kind of affiliate marketing, and that is why they make so much money. And that is why you need to do exactly the same thing. And then you can simply start promoting these quizzes on Pinterest. Now, Pinterest works really, really well for this kind of stuff. So I will simply search something, for example, food quiz, for example, food, okay? And here you can see there is plenty of quizzes related to food, and they have a good engagement, and they are getting a good traffic from Pinterest because people like quizzes, and most of the Pinterest users are women, and we know that women actually like quizzes. They really, really like quizzes, and then you can do exactly the same. You can copy these guys here, do not use their quizzes, just copy their quizzes, their pins, and make something similar, and you too will start getting free traffic from Pinterest to your quizzes, and you will start making money with affiliate marketing.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.